In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive with Yahoo account. If you prefer using your Yahoo email but still want the power of Google Drive, this quick setup will let you sign into Drive without creating a new Gmail address. You'll be making a Google account that uses your existing Yahoo email, and then you'll use that to log into Drive. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google account creation page. You can search for Create a Google account and make sure you are on the official Google site. On the sign up screen, look for the option that says, Use my current email address instead. This is important because it tells Google you don't want a new Gmail, you want to register your Yahoo address as your Google login. When prompted, type your Yahoo email address exactly as it appears, and then create a strong password for your new Google account. This password is for Google, not for Yahoo, so it can and should be different. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. You'll remember, keep it private and avoid reusing passwords you've used elsewhere. Next, Google will ask you to verify your email address. Open a new tab, sign in to your Yahoo inbox, and look for the verification email from Google. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. And give it a minute in case of delays. Open the message, find the code, and enter it back on the Google sign-up page to confirm that you own this Yahoo address. Verification is what links your Yahoo email to your new Google account securely. Once the code is accepted, your Google account is ready. Now head to Drive. Google.com if you are already signed in with a different Google account in your browser. You may need to switch accounts or sign out first. On the sign-in page, enter your Yahoo email address and then the Google password you just created. You'll land in Google Drive, where you can create, upload, and share files, just like any other Google user, all while keeping your Yahoo email as your login. A few quick tips as you get started: consider turning on two-step verification in your Google account for extra security. Remember that your Yahoo inbox will receive password recovery emails for this Google account, so keep your Yahoo account secure as well. And if you ever forget which password goes where, remember, Yahoo password is for Yahoo and your new Google password is for Google services like Drive. That's it, simple and effective. Thanks for watching.